Methodology class. Audio-Lingual method and Suggestopedia method. Teaching by Claudia Matute and Rubén Reyes.
Hello, my name is Rubén.
Hello, my name is Claudia Matute and welcome at our class for today.
In this video, we are going to present you how a teaching class plan is developed. We are going to explain you each part of the plan, each activity that we choose to develop, each method.
Okay, in this class we are used to a combination of two methods, the Audio-Lingual method and the Suggestopedia method, for children in the second grade. Okay, now I present you the first activity.
Well, about Audio-Lingual method, some characteristics are: training uses a system of reinforcement. Emphasis is on the acquisition of partners in common dialogues. Memorize phrases with a focus on intonation. No grammatical explanations. Vocabulary is taught in context and focus in pronunciation on spoken language.
In the first activity, I use a dialogue, where the teacher first repeats the conversation. For example, Mom, what are you doing, Nina? Nina, I am counting my money. Mom, how much do you have? Nina, I have $14. I don't have enough to buy a new video game. Mom, how much do you need? Nina, I need to save $5 more to buy the video game. Mom, are you sure you want to spend all your money? Nina, I think it is fun to spend money, don't you? Okay, when the teacher repeats 3 or 2 times, then a student repeat the conversation together with the teacher 3 or 2 times too. When the teacher is sure the student catch the idea about the conversation, start to correct the pronunciation. It is possible one by one. After a student repeat the conversation by themselves, they want to participate it. And we need to be sure use the intonation in the conversation. In this way, the student learn pronunciation, vocabulary, and rhyme. And at the end, we need to know if the student understands what they say in the conversation. There we can use some question and ask randomly at our students. For example, in the conversation at the end we can see some question. For example, do you like to save money or spend money? What do you like to spend money on? How much money do you have right now? If you have $1,000, what would you buy? In this way, we can know if the student understands you, if they have the comprehension about the conversation. And remember, the new vocabulary that we want to teach in this conversation are save, spend, counting, dollars, enough, need, and more. This vocabulary is for a student of the second grade.
Well, now what about Suggestopedia method? Some characteristics. First of all, motivation. Also, the use of music to relax learners. Decoration in the classroom. Usually classes are in circle. Emphasis on memorization. Teacher has an authoritative behavior. And use of target language. First of all, as a teacher, I'm going to play the music for relaxing the student, and this music it will be along all the class. Next, using mime, I am going to read the conversation slowly, and a student in this moment have to pay attention to their pronouns. After I have read all the conversation, I am going to ask a student stand up because in this way students pay more attention. Remember, we need to create a very good environment to student learning. And after that, I am going to repeat each sentence and a student had to repeat after me, all in group. And finally, I am going to ask one volunteer to mime the sentences I am going to pronounce, and other students can correct them.
Thank you for your attention.